Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today we are going to make this chicken egg roll in the air fryer. First, we're gonna chop the carrots and celery using the food processor. If you don't have one, you could simply just chop these ingredients into tiny pieces, or fine pieces, I mean. Then add an onion and chop it again. This just really depends on your preference. If you want a chunky vegetable, that's up to you. And then I'm using a cooked rotisserie chicken from Costco. I just chopped that into tiny pieces. In a bowl, we're going to put the vegetable mixture. We are going to make our filling. With that, we're gonna add the cooked chicken, mix, and then we're going to season this. This is my mixed seasoning. It will be in the description box. Sesame oil, soy sauce. Mix this together. You can add an egg. That will make everything stick together, but I skipped on that on this recipe. We're going to use this rice paper. There is an instruction in the back on how to roll it. Now, using a warm water, dip the paper into the water. Do not soak it. I count about up to 10 until everything are wet, but not soaked in water. And then just simply grab that, release the excess water, place it in a mat, and you're ready to roll. Grab your filling. Now this is really depends on your preference. I'm making this for my family, so I'm making a chunky egg roll. There is an instruction in the back of the rice paper wrap on how to fold using the rice paper. It is really easy, just need a little practice, but nobody's judging here. Everybody can learn how to roll an egg roll. So there's the first one. We're going to show this again. Grab a rice paper, grab your filling, roll it forward, flip, fold the right side in, roll, flip the left side in, roll, roll forward. Just keep rolling, and there you go. And Mr. Birdie wants to say hello. That's why I have this mute, because he was singing like crazy. I made a total of 10 egg rolls. I probably can make about 12 to 15. It really depends on how chunky you want your filling. Using an oil, just brush that basket, the tray, or they call it the crisper, and place the egg roll. Do not crowd it, but again, this is depends on your preference. You could probably put everything in there. I don't want to crowd it. Place this in the air fryer. Cook 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 minutes, and you're going to flip this halfway through. It came out really good. You could make this at home. Most of these ingredients are in your local grocery store. I hope you like this video. Please give it a try, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching. We will see you next time. Ciao!